back to Tattered Stitch Embroideries. Today we're going to be working on this sweet little towel topper, which is going to be perfect as a stocking stuffer. So I have hooped my tearaway stabilizer, and now we're just going to go ahead and run our first placement stitch. Okay, so now that our placement stitch has been finalized, we're going to go ahead and lay down one layer of batting, which I have right here, and then our fabric, and then I'm just going to tape this down into place, and we're going to run our tack down stitch next. Okay, with the tack down being complete, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to trim away all of my excess material. And make sure to get really close to the edges, as close as you can, because at the very end we're going to run a satin stitch and we want to be sure that we can catch all the fabric and make nice neat edges. I'm also going to cut this area as well, because that's the opening for the towel holder. Okay, with this step being complete, we have a really pretty stipple stitch that we're going to embroider out next. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and embroider out the ornaments. Okay, so the ornaments have been embroidered, so now we're going to flip our hoop over, and I'm going to take my second panel of fabric. I'm going to lay it over the pattern here, tape it into place so it doesn't move. Move that down a little bit, and then we're just going to go ahead and put it back into the machine, and we're going to run the tack down stitch. Okay, with the tack down complete, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to trim away all the excess fabric. And there is a step to do buttonholes if you want to, because you can finish this project with buttons to secure it into place, but I don't have any buttons right now, so I'm going to go ahead and skip that, and I'm going to finish off this project using my snaps and my little cam snap tool. We're going to put this back into the machine, and we're going to finish up with our satin stitching. Okay, so we have finished up this project. The satin stitching is now complete. All we have left to do is to just tear away the stabilizer, and then when we're done with that, I'm going to go to my little cam snap machine and set in a couple of snaps to finish this project off. So when it's all done, the snaps will be there'll be a snap down here and a snap down here, and it'll fasten it right here in the two corners where my fingers are. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for stopping by today.